Okay, so by now you should understand the difference between direct deal, which is essentially an I/O deal that you can run programmatically, and your programmatic private marketplace deals and your open auction deals. And so I wanted to just show you how easy it is to search and shop for this inventory that's out there. So I'm already logged into DoubleClick Bid Manager. If you don't have access, you can work with somebody from Performix, or you can work with somebody within your organization who already has access, so that you can just log in here, take a look around, do some strategy, do some planning, kind of get a feel for what's available to you. So all you do is go into DoubleClick Bid Manager, and you can go here to Inventory, Marketplace, and all of a sudden you've got all this inventory. So you can go ahead and geo-target it to, for example, you just go here, type in South Africa, click that, and boom, we have only inventory for South Africa. So for example, the space station pops up 183 million impressions from South Africa. If you scroll down here, keep going, you'll start to get some non-South African websites, but they're still just quoting you in the impressions and the uniques here, the actual South African inventory. So let's say, for example, you've been booking historically for a campaign with Fast Company. I know quite a few of us advertisers have been using them, dealing directly on IO-based deals. Now, we can just type in Fast Company, user Geo South Africa, and you can take a look here. 394,000 impressions are available via DoubleClick Bid Manager. So you can view that inventory. Click on this arrow to see that the demographic profiles and the sizes that are available in the inventory for each size, and the verticals that they're in, and also the domain. So here's Fast Company in Inc. Now, all you have to do is you just go request proposal, and you can choose programmatic guaranteed or a preferred deal. I think for this, you'd be likely to get a much better price if you were to just quote a preferred deal, and maybe we would go in and we would say, hey, I got a 30,000 Rand budget for you, and I know that somebody at a third-party media owner here in South Africa has been giving me let's call it 350 Rand CPM. So let's take some chances here. Maybe we can get away with 300 Rand CPM. And then you can just fill in the start date, that sort of thing. And then down here, you put in your message just saying to the person on the other end that you want a preferred deal for South Africa. Can you please quote a price, that sort of thing. And so based on that, you would hit enter, and you'd start to get those negotiations. Those negotiations would pop up here. And stuff like that. So that's one of the easy things that we can do. Going back into the marketplace, some of you may have been meeting with various media owners in the past. Oh boy, this thing is starting to mess up. Yeah. For example, Times Media. Times Media just visited us the other week, visited most of the people in the office just the other week to talk about their private marketplace deal. And hey, take a look. When we click into it, there it is. It's right there. 50 Rand CPM, TSO Black Star, private marketplace. You can literally just click on it, and that's how you book it. It tells us right here what the sizes are. It's already spelled out for us. Accept as is. Click there. Boom. You've got it. All you have to do is change your dates to your campaign, and you can literally book right then and there. It's as simple as that. If we were to go back and take a look at some more inventory, just wanted to show you guys that you can literally try to think of anything. So let's say we have perhaps maybe a brief that tells us that we want to reach international business travelers. Maybe this is for a high-end airline or something, and maybe we want to get people who read BBC, or maybe people who read CNN. I don't know if this is multiplicative. Yeah, it's definitely reductive. So let's unmultiply that. We can literally just go in and click BBC.com News, and we can go in there. South African impressions is 12 million. View the inventory, view the websites, BBC.com, BBC News, and all these verticals. And you can go in and request a proposal. And yeah, simple as that. Set your budget, request a CPM, start and end date. Countries already listed. South Africa, you can choose your sizes here, all these different sizes. Say for example, you only have certain sizes available. Maybe the top 5 sizes of 300 by 600, 728 by 90, etc. Just put those in. Additional terms, and write your message. Work with Performix, work with Anand in India to make sure that you're doing this right. But otherwise, this is a nice way for you to shop and understand what's available to you as as a client-facing strategist or a planner or even a campaign manager, just know what you're working with to be able to interpret a strategy better. So that's that.